never know how much you've changed me for.
Welcome to my channel Alden Skyline. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan aktifkan notifikasi loncengnya.
How much you've helped me keep it together. And when I was half awake, got stuck in a storm, no one else saw where I was except you. And when I was falling down into a darkened cloud, you pulled me out from the rain, keeping me safe and sound, keeping me safe and sound. Always, always keeping me safe and sound. Always, always keeping me safe and sound. Always, always keeping me safe. Keeping me safe. I don't think I'll ever find someone else that sees through every blemish. You brought me back to life, took me away from all of my wreckage. And when I was half awake, got stuck in a storm, no one else saw where I was except you. And when I was falling down into a darkened cloud, you pulled me out from the rain.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, day, and you knew how to escape. Would you bring me to your starship? Would you find a way to live? If I came knocking at your door on the last day on the earth, would you give a try to fix this, or would you just let me go? I know we can overcome it. Side by side we shine like diamonds. If stars and moons collide, love will save our lives. What about the things we could take? Baby, how you gonna fake? This could really be the last time you could spit out all your sins. So why would you still keep it back? I will listen, no regret. In this moment of forgiveness, we'll just hear and understand.